Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Hey there, enjoy this video, and afterwards if you want to check out the full tour of the Bendigo Caves coastline and dolphin watching, please feel free to check out that video too.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.